Hello there, Ride Pro again with a beautiful 2007 Honda GL 1800 with the Champion trike kit. It is finished in a beautiful silver metallic. It does have the running boards. The bike is in very, very good shape. As you can see, the chrome is very good. It does have the trailer hitch on the back. The tires, rear tires are in very good shape. The front tire is brand new. The bike was just serviced, oil change, air filter, front tire, and front fork seals. It does have a accessory windshield, an aftermarket accessory windshield. Has running lights in the bottom of the running boards. It does have front footboards for the driver. It also has heel-toe shifter on the other side. The seat is in very, very good shape. This bike really overall is in very good shape. Now, it probably won't show up on the video, but there is a clear plastic bra on the fender, and it is starting to, after time, they just get little check marks in there, and these can be easily replaced. It does have a few very small scratches down here. And over here on the bottom of the fender, there's a couple of, looks like touched up scratches, and then there's another scratch right there. The bike runs excellent, starts right up. It has 38,346 miles on it. Stereo plays great. Like I said, it starts right up, runs perfect, no stumble. It does have the stock exhaust. Just want to walk back here so you can kind of hear it. We do have discounted shipping starting as low as $300. If you give us a call, we'll be glad to give you exact shipping right to your front door. You can call us at 813-615-1700. That's 813-615-1700. Give us a call, give us your zip code, and we can give you exact shipping. You can also really make an adventure out of it and fly into Tampa International Airport. We'll be glad to pick you up, put you on your new trike, and let the adventure begin. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 813-615-1700, or you can reach us on the web at www.myridepro.com. That's www.myridepro.com. That's it for this video. See you soon.